The Nike Cortez may have started as a performance runner worn by track athletes and pop culture icons, but over the decades it has grown into one of Nike's most influential lifestyle sneakers. As the model approaches its 54th year, its impact shows no signs of slowing down. For spring 2026, Nike introduces a fresh white coconut milk colorway that proves classic designs can still evolve. The shoe keeps its familiar leather base, making it clean and easy to wear, while exposed stitching adds a handcrafted feel throughout the upper. Subtle pastel accents appear on the tongue, eyestay, and heel, giving the pair a soft seasonal look. The standout detail is the corded swoosh, which replaces the traditional logo with a DIY-inspired skeleton-style design that instantly grabs attention. Expected to release in spring 2026, this Nike Cortez may come with a slightly higher price than the usual $100, reflecting its unique updates and premium touches overall design.